This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a focused project in Google Cloud so your key is scoped and manageable. Once done, enable the Maps JavaScript API and any SDKs your app will call. This activates service quotas. Make sure billing is set up with a valid payment method because Maps needs billing even with the free $200 monthly credit. You do this now to avoid runtime denials and to keep usage tied to the correct project and billing account for observability and cost control. Next, create an API key in the Credentials panel and copy it to a secure location. Do not embed it in public repos. Then apply restrictions. For web apps, use HTTP refers. For Android, use package name plus SHA1. For iOS, use bundle ID. Also set API restrictions so the key can only call the Maps APIs you enabled. This reduces theft risk and accidental billing. Once set, test from your allowed origins to confirm the restrictions match your deployment domains and app signatures. Finally, implement the key into your application via environment variables or a secure secret store so it never appears in source code. Once deployed, monitor API usage and errors in the Cloud Console and set alerts for unexpected spikes to prevent surprise charges. If you see map load errors, make sure the correct API is enabled. The key's restrictions exactly match the request origin or app signature, and billing is active. One quick check that resolves most problems when Maps won't render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.